free from hunger and poverty. We live in a decent house with a secure long-term tenure, good transport and mobility options, travel and vacation opportunities, quality education and a decent job for the Maginhawa, and then for the Panatag, savings. We have enough resources for day-to-day needs and unexpected expenses. We enjoy peace and security, a long and healthy life, and comfortable retirement. Now, what we did next, and this one is already updated to new prices, is how much will it take to be able to enjoy this Matatag, Maginhawa, Panatag na buhay. Now, just a disclaimer here, this is not based on scientific study, so this is just, medyo Delphi technical lang ulit. So, first of all, own a car. And this one will come up to, let's say, an amortization or depreciation cost plus O&M of about 25,000 per month. Oh, by the way, it's a family of 4. Ano yung dalawa? Next. And then, sorry, you have money for day-to-day needs, let's say 50,000 a month. A medium-sized home, 26,000, that would be the amortization that you would